Yo, life is a trip, man. It's a trip. Like it's a roller coaster. It's just something, isn't it? What's your experience of life? I know my experience of life has been filled with like so many ups, so many beautiful ups, so many like crazy high ups, and it's also been filled with like some crazy lows. You know, like some crazy, painful, sad lows, and it's a trip. It's a beautiful trip. You know, it's a gift. You know, and so, you know, in experiencing all of these, you know what I'm saying, like in experiencing all of that, I'm coming to a place in life where I'm really beginning to recognize, I'll clean that off a little bit. Oh, it's cleaner. The phone was dirty. I'm really beginning to recognize what's the most potent thing I can do with my consciousness, and how I can utilize my consciousness to enjoy my life, and to use my life, and to remember who I am, and to live in synchronization with who I am on the core level. And that is learning how to distinguish reality from illusion, right? Like there's a very iconic movie called The Matrix, and this movie is iconic because it's all about something fake and illusory, but it's so real, right? The movie's so real. It's such a beautiful parable, metaphor for life, right? It's like, you know, you have Neo living in this world of illusion, and for most of his life he has been living in harmony with the illusion. He's been living in synchronization with the illusion, working a dead-end job, not accessing abundance, not accessing his power, not accessing his intelligence, not accessing his gifts. And it's a beautiful story of Neo getting mentorship, connecting to proper community, and waking up to the reality of himself and the world, right? And I've been like relating heavy with Neo. And I'm sure like the movie's famous because like a lot of people can relate heavy with Neo, like living in this world of illusion, and forgetting the spiritual power within, right? The forgetting the connection to source, forgetting the connection to this beautiful, mystical, intelligent consciousness that's enlivening our bodies right now. It's a beautiful story about reconnecting with that and claiming that. And so, you know, I want to make this video short and just say, like, I don't know what your life is like right now. I don't know what you're going through. I don't know what you're trying to create for yourself. But I invite you to contemplate, what is the reality of you? Who are you really before the programming got in? Before the illusion got in? In Eastern philosophy, they call it Maya, right? In America, we call it the Matrix, right? And who are you before that got in? Who are you before the money began to matter more than the morals and more than the integrity? Who are you before the job that you work at became the God? Your boss became God. Right? Who are you before all of the obligation? Who are you before all of this stuff? And I invite you to contemplate that and connect to that energy and that essence, and then really begin to like allow your mind to distinguish between what matters and what really doesn't matter. and really contemplate, you know, your power as opposed to contemplate your light as opposed to the shadow, right? The absence of your light. Being broke, not having a bunch of money is focusing on the shadow, like the absence of the light. But realizing that I'm abundant, that's focusing on my light and realizing my light and connecting with my light. So yeah, what areas have you been giving more consciousness to the shadow than the light? And we're not here to shame the shadow, but we're here to learn from it and to recognize, to use it to help realize what the light is, and then to claim that light. So that's been a huge part of my journey recently, is connecting to the reality of me. And the reality of me, I'll claim my reality, and maybe it inspires you to claim your reality. The reality of me, I'm loved, and I'm loved, and I'm trustworthy, and I'm trusting, and I'm free. All right, I'm alive, I'm worthy, I'm strong, I'm powerful, I'm gifted, I'm conscious, I'm aware, I'm vital, I'm energized, I'm tapped in, I'm true, I'm authentic, I'm shiny, I'm sparkly, I'm glowy, I'm whole, I'm complete, I'm satisfied, I'm perfect in all of my imperfections. That's the reality of me. And the thing is, that's the reality of you too. We just waking up in the matrix, baby. We just waking up in the matrix. The illusion. So, I love you. Please call me if you wanna talk. You can go to the link in my bio and it'll take you straight to my calendar. The link in my bio will take you straight to my calendar. You can book a call. And I would love to talk with you. I would love to talk with you and reflect with you, and we can explore your life. And we can begin to distinguish the reality of you from the illusion and help you release identifying with some synchronization you may have had in the past with the illusion. We can release that and tap into the reality. So give me a call. Much love.